When trading is in action, is where then we place market orders in a favorable direction. In the Forex market, it is possible to make gains buying or selling an instrument targeted. Orders in the market are categorized into 6 categories of opening positions. The most basic are market execution, where a trader will buy or sell at that moment. In the market execution, orders will be placed immediately. Pending orders are used to place orders automatically when the price reaches a certain level. This is not essential but simply explained. A buy stop is buying when the price rises, and sell stop is selling while the price falls. Sell limit is selling while the price rises, and buy limit is buying while price falls. Trading itself is overrated, exaggerated, and as well manipulated at most points. Most people end up thinking trading is a scam. Lack of knowledge about trading may cause a person to be scammed or may make a person to think trading is a scam, while people are the scam. That's why it's very essential to get informed or be mentored in trading before starting out. The reason you might want to trade are simple as follows. You might want to trade to make monthly income from the Forex market. You trade to invest your capital to gain higher interest than the one offered by banks. And most resourceful, you might trade to plan for retirement capital.